Hello everybody, this is a bird feeder update. As you can see, there are currently 2 juncos at it. Dark-eyed juncos are called. I've also seen a few chickadees around, and that's about it as far as bird species, but as you can see, the bird feeder has been modified. It's been put on a board zip tied to a lilac tree, and a dowel has been placed beneath the bottle to serve as a perch for the birds. I also have another bird feeder set up over there. I don't know if you can see that. And there's also a suet feeder over there too. But we don't have suet or anything, so we just put beef fat in it. Yep, we have a few juncos, and I think they're both juncos, I believe. So, yep, this is the old feeder in action. I'm very pleased with this, and I was up this morning. We had a 2-hour delay at school due to the weather, and there was a whole flock of these guys surrounding the feeder. So, winter is some of the best time to bird feed because the birds are hungry and they need the food. You won't get as many birds as maybe in the spring or summer, but you'll get a few. You'll get juncos and chickadees and cardinals and, birds like that stay. Yep. So, the bird feeder works, and thank you for watching, and I hope you stay subscribed, and I thank you for all those who are supporting me.